Welcome to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency. Why learn Japanese? Learning Japanese offers numerous benefits. Enjoy Japanese media, anime, manga, films in the original language and gain a deeper understanding of Japanese culture. Enhance your travel experiences in Japan with better communication and local interactions. Study at prestigious Japanese universities and access scholarships. Improve cognitive functions and problem-solving skills. Achieve a rewarding personal goal and gain new perspectives. Join a global community of learners and build relationships with Japanese speakers. By learning Japanese, you open yourself up to a world of new experiences, opportunities, and personal growth, whether for cultural, professional, or personal reasons. The benefits of learning Japanese are vast and varied. Thank you for watching.